Hi everyone, welcome to Visual Sculpt. Today, we're exploring virtual textures in Unreal Engine, a powerful way to lower VRAM usage while keeping high-res details. We'll go over how to enable them, then create a basic material, and last an example of how to convert an existing material using a 4K DAZ 3D character. Let's get started. Virtual textures, or VTs, use Unreal Engine's runtime virtual texture system to stream high-resolution textures into your projects. It breaks large textures into tiles, loading only what is needed while adjusting resolution based on camera distance and screen size. Use VT for large open worlds, assets with 4K textures or higher, or for performance optimization, keeping frame rate smooth and VRAM use manageable. For texture sharing UVs, like diffuse, normal, or roughness maps, the system processes up to 8 together in one thread, helping boost efficiency for complex materials. But skip VTs for small projects using low-res textures, for fast-paced games where streaming could lag, or if using a slow drive that bottlenecks your system. Faster drive speed directly impacts VT performance. Now, let's set up a project to use VT. Go to Edit, Project Settings, Rendering, and under Virtual Textures, enable Virtual Texture Support. By default, textures 4K and up auto-convert to VT on import. I prefer conversions on 2K textures and higher, so I'll adjust that in the editor under Texture Import Settings. Restart Unreal to apply. Shaders might need recompiling. Next, create a basic example VT material. Add a texture sample node. For a shortcut, hold T and click. In the node, check the sampler type dropdown and you'll see virtual options like virtual color. Select default color VT. Notice it auto sets to virtual color shader. We'll add another for the normal input with default normal VT. It'll automatically switch to virtual normal. The sampler type must be a virtual one for VT textures to process correctly. To manually convert a texture to VT, right-click it in the content browser and pick the option. Textures can be manually converted back to normal the same way. Finally, converting a 4K DAZ 3D Genesis 9 character. With auto conversion set at 2K, most textures show a VT icon in the content browser. Only 1K ones like fingernails and eye moisture stay normal. A character with VT texture but no material updates will look low res and can show seams. Open a material instance and you'll see a red warning message flagging the issue. Dial down to the master material. Here it's base PBR skin material. Save as with VT in the name and keep the original intact. Find texture sample nodes with the blue top bars. You can select multiples with Control-click if they share the same texture. Swap it to VT versions like I'm doing here using the T_default color_VT. If there's a material function, open it. Save as with VT as with the master material. Now update the color, mask, and normal modes the same way, and then save. Back in the master material, link the new VT function, save, and then set your material instance parent to the VT material. Close and reopen materials if they don't fully update. Now you can see your materials up close in full detail while using a fraction of the VRAM as before. And there you have it, virtual textures in Unreal Engine. They're a powerful tool for managing higher resolution assets. Let me know in the comments if you've used VT in your projects or if you want more Unreal tips. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next one. See you next time.